Hey, how's it going? Welcome into forthelow.net, the best place on the planet to buy vintage electronics and where all of our equipment is SpenCertified. Today, I've got a Sony VCR player and recorder to show you. This is definitely one of the best VCRs you can buy. It'll last forever and it provides all of the features that you'll ever need. So the model number of it is SLV-676HF, and we've also got the original packaging with this particular one, but let's go ahead and talk about it. So on the rear panel of it, you have a composite input and output as well as a hi-fi audio input and output right here, which you can get mono VCRs, but if you can get hi-fi, that's definitely the way to go. And then over here you have a tuner input and output right there for recording cable TV. And this was manufactured in Malaysia, which is definitely an awesome place to get your products from. And then on the front panel of it, you have your power button right here, eject, and then you've got this nice display, easy setup, channel up and down, pause, rewind, fast forward, play, stop, and record. And then you've also got quick response as a feature, adaptive picture control, digital auto tracking, and auto head cleaner. Now we're going to connect it. So all you have to do is plug in your red, white, and yellow cable to the output on the back of the VCR. And then once you have it all wired up, you can go ahead and put in a VHS and begin playback. And this is the original remote control for it. You've got a bunch of different options on the remote. You've got an eject button, which not every VCR has. You can go to the menus. You can set the timer, tuner, clock, language, and you can go into the advanced options too if you wanted to, where you can control the stereo, tuner, adaptive picture control, tape select, sharpness, and the tape speed. And then with the display, it will show you where you are in the tape, and it will also display the counter right there. And then you can reset it if you wanted to. And then you've got slow playback if you want to do it frame by frame. And then, of course, you can push stop and do a fast forward or a fast rewind. And then a couple other features that this has is 4-head dual azimuth heads, multi-brand remote, so the remote will work with your TV. Not every TV, but it can work with many different TVs. That's pretty much all there is to this Sony VCR. If you're looking for the best VCR, this one is definitely a tough one to beat. So I would definitely get this one. It's gonna last a long time and it's got that hi-fi stereo. But if you're looking to order one, make sure you get it from us at forthelow.net. You can call to order one or you can get it on our website. Thanks for watching.